Close your eyes and imagine all of existence, every galaxy, star, planet, and every fabric of space time itself compressed into a single, unimaginable point. This was the singularity, a realm of infinite density and heat, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Then, in a fleeting moment, approximately 13.8 billion years ago, this primordial seed of everything initiated a spectacular exponential expansion. Not an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself. We call this the Big Bang, the cataclysmic birth of our universe. The moment that space-time itself burst into existence and began stretching, carrying the nascent universe from a subatomic speck to a cosmic canvas in a fraction of a second. From that initial fairy expansion, the universe as we know it began its epic story of evolution and structure. The Big Bang was not the end of creation, but merely the overthrow. In the very next heartbeat of existence, an almost incomprehensible 10 raised to minus 32 seconds after it all began, the universe embarked on its most spectacular and decisive act, cosmic inflation. Imagine space itself, the very fabric of newborn cosmos, begins stretch at the rate faster than the light speed. This wasn't an expansion into anything. It was the violent, exponential unflaring of space-time itself. In a fleeting moment, a subatomic speck of reality was blown up to a scale larger than our entire observable universe today. This inflationary surge did more than just make space bigger. It forged the arena for all of cosmic history. It ironed out the wrinkle of space-time, creating the vast uniform universe we see. And from the quantum fluctuation magnified during this frantic expansion, the seeds for all future structure were sown, the gravitational blueprint for every galaxy, star, and planet. When inflation ended, its energy decayed into a hot, dense soup of particles, setting the stage for the universe's next great act. In essence, inflation was the explosive opening scene that built the stage and wrote the script for entire cosmic drama to follow. With the stage set by inflation, the universe was now a seething, ultra-hot cauldron of pure energy. In the very first second after the Big Bang, as the cosmos cooled just enough, energy began to condense into a very first solid entity, subatomic particles. Quark and electrons flickered into existence, materializing from the energy-dense soup. This was the moment the raw potential of universe began to take tangible form. These nascent particles were the fundamental building block of all matter, the cosmic Lego bricks from which everything would eventually be constructed. In the frantic chaos of young cosmos, quark quickly team up, binding together into trios, form the first protons and neutrons, while the stable atoms were still far in the future. These newly formed particles lay down the essential scaffolding. They were the primordial blueprint, the critical foundation upon which every star, planet, and living thing would one day be built. The universe had its raw material. The long journey towards complexity had begun. For nearly 380,000 years, the universe was a hot, opaque fog of plasma, where the light was constantly trapped by a dense soup of particles. As the cosmos expanded and cooled, a pivotal event occurred. Electrons slowed down enough to be captured by proton, forming the first neutral hydrogen atom. In this movement, known as a recombination, The fog instantly cleared. The light that was once trapped was suddenly set free, flooding the universe. This primordial light, stretched by billions of years of cosmic expansion, is what we detect today as a cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of Big Bang, that the oldest picture we can observe of the universe. Following the release of cosmic microwave background, the universe entered a period known as the cosmic dark ages. For hundreds of millions of years, it was a vast dark expanses of neutral hydrogen and helium gas. The only source of light was the faint glowing of the cosmic microwave background. Then, driven by gravity, the tiny fluctuation imprinted in the CMB began to pull matter together. The first star and galaxy ignited, ending the darkness in a transformative era called cosmic dawn. These first stars were behemoth, burning fast and bright, and their intense ultraviolet radiation began to reionize the neutral hydrogen, slowly tearing apart the atoms and making the universe transparent once again. A process that lasted until a billion years after the Big Bang. The universe continued to evolve for billions of years, with generations of stars living, dying, and seeding space with a heavy element forged in their cores and supernova explosions. Our own solar system is a product of this recycling process. It formed from a collapsing cloud of gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago, which is roughly 9.2 billion years after the Big Bang. A shockwave from a nearby supernova likely triggered the collapse of this cloud, causing it to spin and flatten into a disk. The sun ignited at the center while the surrounding material began to clump together, eventually forming the planets, asteroids, and comets. Earth collapsed in an habitable zone, allowing for an eventual emergence of life on planet built from a stardust of long dead stars. From the ashes of long dead stars, our specific century was born, roughly 4.54 billion years ago. Within the protoplanetary disk swirling around our infant star, Earth is born. Its early existence was a violent ballet of collision, including a cataclysmic impact with a Mars-sized body that birthed our moon. Over hundreds of millions of years, the molten sphere cooled, forming a primordial crust, while outgassing created toxic atmosphere. Water delivered by icy comet and asteroids condensed into an first ocean, setting the stage for profound miracle. In this seemingly hostile environment, the unique chemistry of our planet, forged in the heart of ancient star and shaped by cosmic violence, gave the rise to the first self-replicating molecule of life. Thus, the epic 13.8 billion year journey from a singular point of infinite potential culminated into a fragile living world, making Earth not just a planet but a testament to the universe's capacity for creation and consciousness.